Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Connecting London, a strategic tile-laying game where you connect stations and attractions. To start, 2 to 6 players will each take a set of 2 blind sign tokens, numbered 2 through 5. Then, draw 5 map tiles from the bag and place them face up in front of you. The remaining tiles form a face-down draw pile. The player who most recently traveled on the London Underground gets to go first. It's a quick game, usually lasting about 15 to 20 minutes. During your turn, you'll first draw 2 good service tokens from the bag. These tokens are crucial as they tell you which of your 5 map tiles you are allowed to play. You must choose a tile that features one of the colors shown on your drawn good service tokens. Carefully place your chosen map tile onto the game board, connecting it to a corresponding underground line, main line station, or tourist attraction. Remember, there are also 4 special Joker map tiles that can be played strategically. The core of the game is making connections to score points. You'll earn points by linking mainline stations to other mainline stations or by connecting tourist attractions to other tourist attractions. When you successfully complete a connection, you get to turn over one of your scoring tokens. These tokens have numbers on their backs, from 2 to 5, which relate to various actions you can perform. Making a good service connection also allows you to activate a special action, adding another layer of strategy. To win Connecting London, you must be the first player to successfully make 5 connections and complete your personal 2 blind sign. This requires careful planning and strategic placement of your map tiles throughout the game. Keep a close eye on your opponent's progress and try to anticipate their moves. The game is full of surprises that can throw you off course, so staying adaptable and focused on your connections is essential to navigate the London Underground and claim victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.